welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D here. So today I'm gonna share with you what this project we're looking at right here took and what the client actually invested in it. So if you just want to know how much the client invested in this project, you can just skip to the end. For now, I'm going to go through the process. So basically, as you seen earlier, I had to demo out the old existing tile, had to grind down the floor, put Ditra uncoupling membrane down so that way nothing cracks in the future. Then I set the tile. Once I set the tile, everything was grouted in. Came back the next day, installed shoe molding going around the whole perimeter of the floor. I put that nice metal profile in the doorway there, that way it caps off the edge so no tile gets chipped in the future. Here's the shoe molding going around the stairs there. All the little base one goes up to it. The area where the carpet is, I'll have to get a carpet guy in there to tuck that back down. More shoe molding photos. And that's about it. Okay, so how long did this project take? Well, this project I actually did solo by myself, and I had roughly 27 hours in this project. Now, how much did everything cost? So I supplied the tile, the molding, everything like that, all in according to my prices that are right here, right now. Okay, at the moment of this recording, which is September 2020, according to my prices right now, getting everything up by the hour, the client invested $2,700 into this project. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, concerns, whatever it might be, please leave in the comment section below or even send me a message. I'm here to help any way, shape, or form I can. Thanks, and stay tuned for the next video.